Do you want a spotless home without harming the planet? These revolutionary eco-friendly hacks will help you clean your home effectively while going green. From natural cleaners to sustainable habits, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk about natural cleaners. Swap those chemical-laden products for simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Did you know that vinegar and baking soda make an unbeatable cleaning duo? Together, they cut through grease and grime effortlessly. Add a splash of lemon juice for a fresh scent, and voila, you've got an eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaner, perfect for countertops, floors, and even your bathroom tiles. Next, ditch the disposables. Reusable tools like microfiber cloths or even old t-shirts can save a lot of waste. They're just as effective for dusting, scrubbing, and wiping surfaces. And the best part? You can throw them in the washing machine and use them over and over again. This small switch can significantly reduce the amount of paper towels and disposable wipes you throw away. Want to freshen up your space without those harsh chemicals? Make your own air freshener. Just mix some water with a few drops of your favorite essential oils in a spray bottle, and you've got a natural, eco-friendly way to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting. Say goodbye to the artificial sprays full of harmful toxins, and hello to a naturally fragrant home. Finally, let's incorporate some sustainable habits into your cleaning routine. Use energy-efficient appliances whenever possible to save on power. And instead of tossing food waste in the trash, why not start composting? Composting is great for the environment and can be used in your garden. Also, don't forget to recycle wherever possible. Whether it's packaging from cleaning products or household items, every bit helps. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? These eco-friendly hacks not only keep your home spotless, but also help protect our planet. Start today and see the difference for yourself. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share these hacks with friends who want a greener home. Like and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips.